Three Microsoft products build AI agents: Agent Builder, Copilot Studio, and Microsoft Foundry Agent Service. The names do almost nothing to tell them apart. This is Microsoft's own comparison page for the first two, and it answers the question in one row: who each one is for. Information workers on one side, makers and developers on the other. Copilot Studio does more, and I will show you exactly what. But more capability is not the same as the right fit. What decides it is who has to build the thing and who has to answer for it. 4 questions decide it, and the order matters more than the questions do. Question 1. Does this need your own code, your own model, your own infrastructure? That is the only question that can send you to Azure. If the answer is no, Microsoft Foundry Agent Service is out, whatever the other 3 say. The other 3, who is it for? What does it need to reach? And does it need environments and a lifecycle? None of those can route you to Azure. They only choose between the 2 Microsoft 365 tools. One warning, because this is where the rule gets gamed. An infrastructure requirement is a question one answer no matter which question surfaces it. If reaching your ERP really means running inside your own network with its own identity, that was question 1 talking, and it does not matter that it arrived dressed as question 3. Answer the first option 4 times, and the tool you want is Agent Builder. Agent Builder. You describe what you want in plain language inside Microsoft 365 Copilot, and it builds an agent that answers questions from your organization's own content through Microsoft Graph. Microsoft's words, lightweight question and answer agents with organizational knowledge. It respects the permissions the person asking already has, so it cannot show them a file they could not already open. Here's the catch: people get wrong. There is a free path, and it is grounded on web knowledge only. The moment your agent needs to open a file of yours, you need a Copilot license, Copilot credits, or a pay-as-you-go plan. Copilot Studio. Microsoft lists 6 things it adds, and they're all on screen. 2 of them decide this video: broad and external publishing, and advanced AI models with integration into Azure AI services. Those 2 are why questions 2 and 3 cannot send you to Azure. Copilot Studio already publishes externally, and it already reaches Azure AI. The other 4 are the ones you would guess. Multi-step logic and approvals. Connectors beyond Microsoft 365. Autonomous capabilities. And lifecycle management with real environments and role-based access controls. And Microsoft's user type row says who builds it: makers and developers, not the person who asked for the agent. Microsoft Foundry Agent Service is where you go when you need your own code, your own model, and Azure's own identity and network isolation around it. It is an Azure service, not a Microsoft 365 one. If nobody on the project needs that much control, this is the wrong answer, even when it is the impressive one. So, start small on purpose. If what you want is a question and answer agent over content that already exists, that is Agent Builder. And Microsoft's word for the upgrade path is copy. The agent gets copied into Copilot Studio, so nothing you built is lost. The tree and both write-ups are linked below, one for builders, one for approvers. If that was useful, subscribe. Turn notifications on and leave a like so it reaches somebody else who has to make this call.